To install one of our ladder climb rocks, you will take the block that you want to install and put it on top of the area of vinyl you intend to install it on. Then trace the size of the block onto the vinyl, cut that area out so that now you have a hole where you can push the rock up from underneath the vinyl. If you're replacing an old rock, obviously the hole will already be there, so you just have to cut out the old rock and then put this new rock in. When you're ready to sew, you will take a sewing awl and you will puncture through the vinyl as well as through the ladder climb rock, and you will pull a second piece of thread through the loop on the underside. Then you pull the sewing awl out, you move over a little bit and puncture the vinyl again, and then you repeat this process all the way around the block. We do have a video giving you a closer look on how to specifically use the sewing awl and how to do a sewing awl stitch. So if you're not sure how to do that, you can check that video out so that you know how to do it. And then once you do, like I said, you just stitch all the way around the outside, and then you have the new ladder climb rock installed.